नमो नमः। नमो व्रातपतये, नमो गणपतये, नमः प्रमथपतये, नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः। हरिः ओम्। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। So, we are with her fourth act of Pratima Natakam. Lakshmana comes out. Rama says, go and look who has come. It looks like our relative from his voice. Surely he is a relative, and his swara sanyoga, by listening to his voice, my heart is wet with love. Kledayati iva me rudayam. And so he says, Lakshmana, Vatsa, la drushyatam, tavat. Go and see. Lakshmana comes out. All this takes a bit time. So Bharata says, I have introduced myself and I have also requested that I have come here. But nobody is responding. That means they want to avoid me. They do not want to see me. Must be that is the reason. Or they must have come to know that Kaikeyaha putraha Bharataha has come. Kim nu khalu vidnyataha asmi aham Kaikeyaha putro Bharataha praptaha iti. Sorry, that is his doubt. Lakshmana, he comes out. He doesn't know who he is. So he comes out and he looks at him. And then there is, he is surprised to see that person standing there. He says, Aye, ayam aryo Ramaha. Here is Rama. Is he my elder brother Rama? Could it be? He was inside. He was inside the ashrama. I just talked to him and now he looks so similar to my elder brother Rama. And for a minute he is confused and he says, Ye ayo ayam aryo Rama. And then immediately he realizes, no, he can't be Rama. Na, Rupa Sadrishyam. Here is the Rupa Sadrishyam. See, Pratima Natakam, the title, all these things point to the same thing, Pratima. And he says, Mukham Anupamam tu Aryasya Abham Shashanka Manoharam Mama Pitru Samam Peenam Vaksha Surari Sharakshatam Dyuti Parivruta Tejo Rashi Jagat Priya Darshanaha Narapatihi Ayam Devendra Va Swayam Madhusudana. He puts it so nicely. He is not sure who is he, but his imaginations he is expressing what he could be. Swayam Madhusudana. Vishnu, Bhagavan Vishnu has appeared there. Or Narapatihi Ayam Devendra. Or he is Indra, the king of gods. He is, I don't know. because his mukha is anupamam. His mukha is anupamam. Mukham anupamam means it is atulam. You cannot compare it with anybody. That is why it is anupamam. Na upama vidyate asya. That is anupamam. Mukham anupamam tu aryasya abham shashanka manoharam. Aryasya abham shashanka manoharam. Aryasya abham shashankam manoharam. Mukham anupamam, he says, that you cannot give upama to this mukha. And next he says, Aryasya abham, the teja, abha, the luster, is like shashanka manoharam. He gives upama of shashanka. He gives upama of shashanka. Now first he says ki his mukha cannot be compared with anything. And immediately he says it is like manohara, like shashanka. He gives upama of shashanka to his mukha. This is self-contradictory. This is self-contradictory. That is called vadato vyaghataha. Vadato vyaghataha. Self-contradiction. Then vakshaha mama pitrusamam. His chest is like my father. Pitrusamam. Peenam, that is broad. Surari sharakshatam. Sura ari, that is demons. Because of their shara, there are injuries. Kshatam. The injuries are Sura, Ari, Shara, Kshata caused by this. So his chest is broad, and it is like my father. That means he has resemblance to his father Dasharatha. Dyuti parivruta tejo rashi jagat priya darshanaha. Now he says he is Dyuti parivrutaha. Parivrutaha means paritaha, all around him. Prasarantya kantya mandali bhavena veshtitaha. Dyuti, that is teja, is abha, luster, is all around his face. Mandali bhavena veshtitaha, that means all around his face. Mandali bhavena veshtitaha. Dyuti parivrutaha. Parivrutaha means like this, from all the sides. Pari, from all the sides. Vruttaha, veshtitaha. Tejo Rashi, he says he is the Rashi, the heap of Teja, luster. See here, first he said Dyuti Parivrutaha. That means he is surrounded by aura, that Teja around his face. And again he says Tejo Rashi, that again he may not mean the same thing again. So here Tejo Rashi means, Teja must be taken here to mean Prabhava, the might, heroic luster or power. We can take the meaning of Teja here in this way. Tejo Rashi. Actually, Teja has Teja can be luster, Teja can be might, Teja can be prabhava. So Tejo Rashi and Jagat Priya Darshanaha, whose darshana is priya to all that Jagat. His darshana is liked by whole world. He is like this. That is why he thinks with all these good qualities, all these good lakshanas, qualities he has yet to know. But at present he is knowing about his bahyanga. All this, his external appearance impresses him, and he feels such a lustrous person can be either Indra, god of gods, or Swayam Madhusudana, Vishnu himself has come. Sumantra, he doesn't say anything, and Sumantram Drishtva, he says, Aye Tatah. He knows Sumantra, so he immediately sees Sumantra and he calls him Aye Tata. He also, like Bharata, he also addresses Sumanta as Tata. Sumantra says, Aye Kumaro Lakshmana. Lakshmana hai, Aye Kumara Lakshmana. He says, Oh Kumara Lakshmana. And when Sumantra calls him Lakshmana, Bharata comes to know that this is Lakshmana. This is Lakshmana. So he says, Aye Evam Guruho Ayam. He is Guru. Arya Abhivadaye. Aye Kumaro Lakshmana. Now Bharata comes to know that he is Lakshmana, and so he says, Evam Guruho Ayam. Oh, he is Guruhu. Now Guru, and immediately he says, Arya Abhivadaye. I salute to you, I bow down to you. Here Guru means he is elder brother. Actually, Guru has different meanings. Guru is your preacher. Guru must be your, your father, or anybody who is elder to you in the family. He is called Guru. Plus, Guru means big one. Guru and Laghu. There, Guru means big one. Laghu is small. So here he learns that he is Lakshmana, his elder brother, and he bows down to him. And Lakshmana says, Ehi, Ayushman Bhava. The moment Bharata salutes to him, he says, Ehi, come on. Ayushman Bhava, long you live. And then Sumantram Viksha, he says, Tata ko atra bhavan. Without knowing, he said, Ehi, Ayushman Bhava. That is his etiquette. His etiquettes are such that he says, because he has offered him pranama, abhivadana, he is saying, Ehi, come on, come. And now he sees Sumantra and he says, Tata ko atra bhavan. Who is he? I do not know who is he. And then Sumantra says, Kumara Raghoho Chaturtho Ayam Ajat Trutiyaha Pituhu Prakashasya Tava Dvitiyaha Yasya Anujastvam Swakulasya Keto Tasya Anujaha Ayam Bharataha Kumaraha. He is, now here he tells Vaushakrama Gananayam, Raghu, Aja, his father, you, your brother. So like that, Vaushakrama Gananayam, he tells who the other person is. He directly doesn't say that, oh, he is Bharata, your younger brother. No. He says, Raghoho चतुर्थम, रघोः चतुर्थम, रघोः चतुर्थः अयम, अजात तृतीयः. From Raghu he is chaturtha in your vansha. From Aja he is tritiya in your vansha. Pituः prakashasya tava dvitiyah. Pituः prakashasya means, prakashasya here it means vikhyatasya swakulasya ketoho, like dhvajabhutasya yasya, that is Ramasya. Pituः prakashasya tava dvitiyah, that means Ramasya tvam anujaha tasya dvitiyah. Ramasya anuja is Lakshmana and Lakshmanasya anuja is Bharata. Anuh jayate iti, that means he is born after. Lakshmana was born after Rama, Bharata was born after Lakshmana. So from him he is Dvitiya. Yasya anujaha tvam swakulasya ketoho. You are whose anuja? Swakulasya ketoho. That is Radhvajabhutasya Ramasya. You are anujaha and he is your anuja. Bharataha kumaraha. Lakshmana says, ehi ikshvaku kumara vatsa swasti kalyanamastu. He wishes him mangala, he wishes him well. Kalyana vatsa su asti, that is sushto asti, that is swasti. Ayushman bhava. Again he says Ayushman bhava. And now then he says asura samara dakshaihi vajra sanghrushta chapaihi anupama balaviryaihi swaihi kulaihi tulya viryaha. I am dissolving sandhi and reading the verse. Asura samara dakshaihi vajra sanghrushta chapaihi anupama balaviryaihi swaihi kulaihi tulya viryaha. And Raghuhu iva saha narendraha yajna vishranta koshaha bhava jagati gunanam bhajanam bhrajitanam. It means, see, he says, you bhava jagati bhrajitanam, that is deeptimatam, in this world you become bhrajitanam. Bhrajitanam is deeptimatam. Shlaghaniyaha. Everybody will admire you because of your teja, dipti. Divya teja. Jagati bhrajitanam deeptimatam shlaghaniyam iti arthaha. So, like that you be. Gunanam bhajanam ashrayaha. Gunanam bhajanam means gunanam ashrayaha bhava. Bhajanam means ashraya. That means may you have all these, good qualities. And those qualities he is describing in the first two charana of this verse. Asura, asuraihi saha samaraihi dakshaihi, that means he is expert. Vajra sanghrushta chapaihi. Vajrena, that is pavi, vajra. Pavi is also another word used for vajra. Vajrena, pavina, sanghrushta. Sanghrushta is jata gharshanam. Jata gharshanam, that is ekatra yuddha karnad. In the fight, in yuddha, vajra and the chapa, they are, in between them, gharshana occurs. I mean, they strike against each other. And that is how they fight, Vajra here and Chapa here. So, Asuraihi samare dakshaihi, during the fight with Asuras, Daityas, whose Vajra and Chapa, they are Sanghrushta, Ekatra Yuddha Karanat, they are the Chapa has become like that by them, who have Anupama Bala Viryaihi, Anupama Bala and Virya, Anupama Bala Viryaihi, Swaihi Kulaihi, that means Vaushaihi, Tulya Viryaha, it means Saha Prasid, Raghuhu Iva Saha Narendraha, Saha Prasiddhaha Narendraha, Yadne Vishwajiti, Yadnya Vishranta Koshaha, that means Yadne Vishwajiti Vishrantaha, that means Nishesha Kosha Yasya, he spent all that wealth in this Yadnya, distributing to Brahmanas. Nisheshaha Koshaha Krutam Yasya Saha Narendraha, Saha, like Raghu, you become so gunavan. Everybody will have, they will love you. In short, the long verse, it means like this, may you be in this world the receptacle of brilliant qualities like that renowned King Raghu. Raghuhu iva saha narendraha raghuhu iva, you became gunanam bhrajanam, whose treasure was exhausted in the performance of sacrifices and whose valor matched with that of monarchs of his race. Bhrajitanam, Jagati Bhrajitanam, with that of the monarchs of his race who were skilled in fighting with demons, whose bows vied with the thunderbolt, Vajra or Pavi of Indra, and whose strength and prowess they were incomparable. That is Teja, Bala and Virya. Now, Bala means physical strength. Bala is physical strength, and Viryam, that means Vire Sadhu, Viryam, that is martial spirit of valor. Martial spirit of valor. See, when we do Surya Namaskaras, we offer Surya Namaskaras. There are 12 Adityas. There are 12 Adityas. Dwadasha Aditya. And while offering Namaskaras to Aditya, in the beginning, a verse is recited, Adityasya Namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine dirghamayu balam viryam tejas tesham jayate. That means Adityasya Namaskaran ye dine dine kurvanti. They do every day. Those who do Namaskara, those who offer salutations to Aditya, dine dine, every day, dirghamayuhu, balam viryam, tejaha tesham jayate. What is the fruit of these Surya Namaskaras? That is dirghamayuhu. They get long life, balam, viryam and tejaha, tejas. Tejas tesham jayate. This is the benefit of Surya Namaskaras. So, Bala is physical strength and Virya is martial spirit of valor. Bharata says, Anugrahitosmi. I am obliged. Such a nice blessing receiving from his elder brother. He is very happy. He says, I am obliged. Kumara, he says, Lakshmana then tells Bharata, Kumara, ihatishta. Now Lakshmana knows who he is. Tvad agamanam aryaya nivedayami. I will inform my Arya, that is my elder brother, Rama, about your, arrival over here. Bharata says, Arya, achiram idanim abhivadayitum ichhami. Without spending any time, without losing any time, I wish to salute Rama, elder brother, immediately. He is very eager. Shighram nivedyatam. Tell him, go and tell him quickly. Lakshmana says, Badham. That is, I agree. Yes, I do. Then he goes and upetya. He goes to, Rama, upaitya. That means he goes near Rama and he says, Jayatu Aryaha. As usual. And Arya, ayam te dayito bhrata, bharataha, sankrantam yatra te rupam adarshe iva tishtati. That is a surprise given to Rama. He says, first surprise is Bharata has come. And second surprise is, he looks exactly like you, as if you are Rupa from Adarsha. That is mirror. As if it is your Rupa in mirror, he looks exactly like you. Ayam te daitaha means priyaha. Ayam te daitaha means priyaha. Bhrata, bharataha, bhratruvatsalaha. Bhratruvatsala. Bhratari vatsalaha, bhratruvatsalaha. That means he loves his brother. Lakshmana has realized that the way Bharata was eager to see Rama. So he has realized that and he tells Rama that he is Bhratruvatsala. And Sankrantam yatra te rupam adarshe iva tishtati. In whom stands reflected your form as in a mirror. As if like, twins. They must be looking so similar. Then Rama says, Vatsa Lakshmana, kim evam bharataha prapta? The way you have described, like that Bharata has come. Lakshmana says, Arya atakim. Then what? Then Rama calls Maithili, Sita. Here he says Maithili. First he says Vaidehi, Janaka Rajatanaya and all. Here he calls her Maithili. Athakim, Maithili, Athakim. Adya khalu avagachami pitra me dushkaram krutam. Atra khalu avagachami pitra me dushkaram krutam. Kidrushaha tanaya snehaha bhratru sneho ayam idrushaha. This is a beautiful verse. He says, Adya khalu avagachami. Now I realize that me mama pitra dushkaram krutam. What was that dushkaram? Madartham pranatyagadikam. My father gave up his life because of his love towards me. Pitruvatsalata. He gave up his life for me. That is what I know. Yataha ayam bhratru snehaha idrushaha. Similar kind of, this is bhratru sneha. How, why it was similar? Yat praptam api rajyam. Rajya was his. Vasishtha Vamadeva had come with Abhisheka Sambhara to offer him Abhisheka, that he refused, and he says, Abhishekam, offer it to my mother. And he left it there and he came to Vana. Yat praptam api rajyam tyaktva mat anugamanartham, to follow me, Bharataha atra agataha. This is his bhratruvatsalya, bhratruvatsalata, his love for his brother. So he says, now I know what my father has done, how much he loved me, I know, because he gave up his life for me. And now Bharata, he had his kingdom. He had already, got his kingdom, but he refused that and he came to follow me. Mad anugamanartham Bharataha atra agataha. Tataha tanaya sneha kidrishaha bhavet. Now if Bharata's bhratru sneha is like this, which Bharata is showing, so kidrishaha tanaya sneha bhavet. It must be much higher than that, because he gave up his life. And now he says, I know how dushkrutam, how dushkaraha my father had done. Dukkhena kriyate iti dushkaraha. Lakshmana says, Arya kim pravishatu kumaraha. Can he enter now? Rama says, Vatsa Lakshmana, idamapi tavat atma priya idamapi tavat atmabhiprayam anuvartayitum ichchasi. Atmabhiprayam. Here he says, you depend on my approval of your intention. That means you ought to have brought him without referring the matter to me. Why you are asking me? Gacha, satkrutya, offer him, satkrutya, he has come, so offer him his swagata, and satkrutya shighram praveshatam kumaraha. Lakshmana says, Yad ajnapayati aryaha. And then on second thought, he says, Athava tishthatvam, or you wait here. Iyam swayam gacchatu. Iyam means Maithili. Iyam swayam gacchatu manahetoho mateva bhavam tanaye niveshya tushara purnotpalapatra netra harshasram asaram iva utsrujanti. Iyam manahetoho, that is Bharata sammananartham mata tanaye iva bhavam, that is chittavrittim niveshya. Let her go and see Bharata, that is putra vatsalyena. Let her look upon him as he is her son. Putra vatsalyena iti arthaha. Tusharena, that means himena, purne utpalapatre iva netre yasyaha sa tushara purna utpalapatra netra. Utpala is lotus. When tushara, hima tushara, drop on those utpalapatra, they bloom out. They bloom out. They widen. First they were small buds. First they are small buds. Then later on, when hima tushara fall on them, they open out. So similarly, your eyes, your utfulla purne, like that, let your eyes be utfulla, showing all love, like a mother would look at her son. Let same bhava appear in your eyes. Harshasram asaram iva dhara sampatam iva utsrujanti. Of course, you will be happy to see Bharata, and then Harshasram. Because of that, you will have ashru in your eyes out of Harsha. They are Harshasram. Harshasram. Asaram iva, they are, falling drop by drop, like asaram iva. Dharasam, that means dhara sampatam iva. Utsrujanti. You receive him. Iyam Svita Swayam Gacchatu. Iyam Sita Swayam Gacchatu. What he wants to say is, let this Sita herself go to honor him. Entertaining the same feeling towards him as a mother has for her son. Okay? Dropping tears of joy like a shower. With her eyes like the petals of a lotus full of dewdrops. That is what he means. Now, Sita says, Yat Aryaputra Ajnapayati. And then she, Utthaya Parikramya, she moves around on the stage, and then she sees Bharata. She sees Bharata, and then she says, Tataha tam velam idanim nishkranta aryaputraha. She is surprised. And she says, Idanim tam velam idanim nishkranta aryaputraha. When she sees Bharata, she says, Rama was talking to me right now. And when I came out, immediately Rama also has come out. Tam velam, at that same time, Rama also came out. After seeing Bharata, she is surprised to see. Why? Then she realizes, nahi, no, it is Rupa Sadrishyam. Lakshmana also felt he had Rupa Sadrishya, and he looks like my elder brother Rama. Here Sita also is, confused, and she says, Nishkrantaha Aryaputraha. Here she said, Nahi, Rupa Sadrishyam. And so when she comes out, Sumantra sees her and he says, Aye Vadhuhu. Bharata says, Aye iyam atra bhavati Janaka Rajaputri. Idam tat strimayam tejo jatam kshetro darad halat Janakasya nrupendrasya tapasas sannidarshanam. What he says? This is idam tat strimayam tejaha halat, that is langalat. Langala means that is hal, nangar. Halat, langalat, halat akrushtat iti yavat. Kshetrodharat jatam idam. She was born from Bhumi. She came out from Bhumi while he was, hal. When he was in his farm, he found Sita there. So this is that Stri Mayam Tejaha. Janakasya Nrupendrasya Tapasaha Sannidarshanam. He says this is Janaka has observed penance. Janakasya Tapasaha Nrupendrasya Janakasya Tapasaha Sannidarshanam. Nrupendrasya Sannidarshanam, that is Utkrishtam Udaharanam. What he means by saying this is that luster in a woman's form, sprung from the interior of a field, struck up by a plough, a worthy proof of the penance of Janaka, the Lord of Kings. He has found it, that is his tapa phalam. The Tejo Rashi, she was also Tejo Rashi, she was lustrous, so he feels iyam strimayam tejaha. And she says, Arye abhivadaye, bharataha asmi, bharataha aham asmi. Then Sita atmagatam, she thinks to herself and says, Nahi rupam eva, swarayogaha api sa eva. Not only his rupa, but his voice is also like that. There is swara sadrusya also. And then openly she says, Vatsa chiranjiva, long you live, may you live long, And then Bharata says, Anugrahitosmi, I am blessed. Sita says, Ehi Vatsa bhratru manoratham puraya. Bhratru means his brother. Bhratru manoratha puraya. And Sumantra says, now pravishatu kumaraha. You enter now. Then Bharata, he is very much concerned about everybody. Even his Ashva and Suta, he is concerned about everybody. So he asked, Tata idanim kim karishyasi? When I enter and when I will go in, what will you do? Sumantra says, Aham paschat pravikshami. Aham paschat pravekshami. Swargam yate naradhipe. Viditarthasya ramasya mama etat purva darshanam. This is my purva darshana. Aham paschat. I will go and see Rama afterwards. Because Swargam yate naradhipe, when after Dasharatha left for heavenly abode, I am meeting Rama for the first time. So you go first and I will enter afterwards. And so Bharata says, Evamastu. And he goes inside. Ramam upagamya. He goes near Rama and says, Arya abhivadaye bharataha aham asmi. I am Bharata. Rama saharsham. Naturally, he is full of harsha. No need to tell also. There is no need for stage direction. These are stage directions, He says, Ehi ikshvaku kumara swasti ayushman bhava. And he says, Vakshak prasaraya kapata puta pramanam alingamam suvipulena bhujadvayena unnamaya ananam idam sharadindu kalpam prahladaya vyasana dagdham idam shariram. He is so happy. He says, Vakshak prasaraya, kapata putam pramanam yasya tat kapata puta pramanam vakshaha prasaraya. Ma suvipulena bruhata bhujadvayena, with his long hands, bahu, suvipulena bhujadvaya, with both your arms. Suvipulena bhujadvayena alingamam, embrace me, and unnamaya ananam idam. You lift up your face, sharadindu kalpam. It looks like a moon in Sharad Ritu. It is understood that in Sharad Ritu, the sky is a bit clear, so the moon is very beautiful. So, Sharad Indu Kalpam. Kalpam means Sadrushya. So, your face, Anana, is like Sharad in like moon in Sharad Ritu. So, like that, you Unnamaya Ananam Idam. And Prahladaya, you give me joy. Vyasana Dagdham Idam Shariram. Idam Shariram is Vyasana Dagdha. Idam Mama Shariram Prahladaya. This is what he says. Stretch out your chest of the measure of the closed panels of a door. Clasp me with your very extensive arms. Raise your face, resembling the moon of autumn. Gladden this my body burnt with calamities. When you embrace me with your vipula bhujadvaya, my body will lose all, body will forget. My body's kleshas will disappear and it will give me joy. Bharata says, Anugruhitosmi, I am blessed. Sumantra, first Bharata comes, and after Bharata and Rama meet each other, after that Sumantra enters, as he had told him. Jayatu Arya Ayushman. Jayatu Ayushman. Ha Tata. He calls him Tata. Rama calls Sumantra Tata. Everybody, of course, by now we know. Now he says, Gatva Purvam Swasainyaihi Abhisari Samaye Kham Samanaihi Vimanaihi Vikhyataha Yaha Vimarde Sa iti bahushaha sa suranam saha Shriman tyakta dehaha daitam api vina snehavantam bhavantam swargasthaha sampratam kim ramayati pitrubhihi svaihi narendraha. You know what has happened? The moment he sees Sumantra, Rama remembers his father. And he, says, what Narapati must be doing now in Indraloka. And he describes his father and talks about his father, But here, Sumantra knew this would happen. That is why he did not enter along with Bharata. He let Bharata enter first, telling him that after Dasharatha's death, I am meeting him for the first time, so I will go after you. And this is what happened when Sumantra entered after Bharata. And he knew it. That is why he said. And all this, he says, Vikhyataha Yaha. See, Gatva Purvam Yaha Purvam Sa Suranam Vimarde Sa Suranam Vimarde. Sura and Asura, the fight between them, Tesham Vimarde, that means Yuddhe, Abhisari Samaye, that is Sura Sahayartham Gamanakale, when he went there to help God. Samanaihi Deva Vimana Samanaihi Vimanaihi. Their Vimana, my father's Vimana and Devendra's Vimana, they were same. Swasainyahi Swam Swargam Gatva. He carried his Sainya with him and he went to Swarga. Gatva, Saha, his valor was such that those, Saha Dasharataha, Yaha Tatra Drushyate, Saha Dasharataha, Yaha Tatra Drushyate. He was fighting with Asura from all the sides, So they were saying, here is Dasharatha, here is Dasharatha. He showed his valor in that Yuddha against Asura. So, Drushyate iti bahushaha vikhyataha. So he was Nirdishta. Everybody said like this, Saha Dasharatha, Saha Shriman Tyakta Dehaha Narendraha. Saha, who has left his, Deha, that means he has gone to Indra Loka, who has left his Deha, Narendraha, Daitam api vina, Daitam means Snehavantam api, Bhavantam vina, without you, Swargasthahasan, he has gone to Swarga, now he is a Swargastha, Swarge tishtati, iti Swargastha. Now being Swargastha, Sampratam, Pitru Bhutaihi Svaihi Purvajanaihi Narendraihi. Now all who died before him, they are in Swarga, because all Ikshvaku kings went to Swarga when they left their Deha, when they left their body. So he thinks that all his Purvaja, Narendra, Purvajaha, Narendraha, they are all in the Swarga Loka. So, is he happy with them? Is he happy with them? Ramayati, Atmanam, does he pass his time with them? Or is he happily living with them? That is what he asks. That is, he remembers his father, Sumantra says, Sa Shokam. Sumantra is sad and he says, Narapati Nidhanam, Bhavat Pravasam, Bharata Vishadam, Anathatha Kulasya, Bahuvidham Anubhuya, Dushprasayyam Guna Iva, Bauvaparadham Ayushyame. He says, Narapati Nidhanam, Me Ayusha, Narapati Nidhanam, Bhavatam Pravasam. Narapati Nidhanam is death of Dasharatha. Bhavatam Pravasam, you left for forest, that is another calamity for me. Bharata Vishadam, Bharata refused to accept the kingdom and he is sad and he has come here, after you. Kulasya Anathatha, now no one is there, no king, no Rajaputra is there to look after the kingdom. Cha evam bahuvidham, that means aneka prakaram, bahuvidham anubhuya, anartha jatam, whatever all those anartha jatam I have experienced, anubhuya. Gunaha aparadham iva, gunoparadham iva, that means dirghatvam, that is his long life, guna eva, a guna eva, tasya mahan aparadhaha jataha, ityarthaha. If a person lives for a short time, he sees less anartha, less incidences which are unhappy. But if a person has long life, he sees all the calamities happening, in front of his eyes. And that is dirgha jivitvam, long life, is not a guna for me. It is aparadha. I must have done some aparadha, that is why I am living, Rudantam, Sita says, Rudantam Aryaputram Punarapi Rodayati Tataha. See, my husband is already crying, and to him, Tata, that is Sumantra, is again making him cry. Rama says, Maithili, Eshaha Paryavasthapayami Atmanam. Okay, I'll control myself, I'll hold myself, Paryavasthapayami Atmanam. I'll control myself. Okay. Vatsa Lakshmana apastavat. He asks for water. Yad adnyapayati Aryaha. Bharata says, Arya na khalu nyayam. This is not correct. Kramena shushrushyayishyay. Kramena, so means I am the youngest. He is my elder brother. So I will do the sushrusha. क्रमेण शुश्रूषवे अहम एव यास्यामि, I will go. And kalasham gruhitva nishkramya pravisya. He takes the kalasha, then he goes nishkramya, brings the water and again enters. Ima apaha. Rama achamya. Maithili vishiryate khalu lakshmanasya vyaparaha. He says vishiryate. Vichhidyate. Vishiryate means vichhidyate. He says Lakshmana's business is obstructed because that was his job, but he had also fought with, argued with, I would say, with Sita that you serve Rama's right leg, I will serve his left leg. Both of us offer our Shushrusha to Rama. So here when Bharata comes, Rama tells Sita, Lakshmana's business is obstructed indeed. And Bharata says, it is not nyaya that Lakshmana goes to bring the water. I should say, Kaniyasi mayi sthite Lakshmanena jala anayanam is not nyaya. I am the younger one. Kaniyasi mayi sthite. I am the younger one, So I have to bring water, and that is my duty. Sita says, Aryaputra, nanu etena api shushrushyayitavyaha. Now let him also do shushrusha. Rama says, Sushtu, khalu iha Lakshmanaha shushrushyayatu tatrasthaha mam bharataha shushrushyayatu. He has a meaning in it. He says, both of them, let them offer their shushrusha to me. Here Lakshmana is with me. Let Lakshmana offer his shushrusha to me by staying here, and let Bharata offer his shushrusha to me by staying there. Tatra, that means by staying in Ayodhya. That is what he means. Bharata doesn't agree with that, and he says, Prasidatu Aryaha. Arya, please. Prasidatu. I don't agree with this. Don't say like this. He didn't want to go back to Ayodhya. He wanted to come to stay with Rama. So he doesn't want to go back. And then after this, in the next verse, he argues with Rama. He tries to convince Rama and Ram tries to convince him. How they convince each other, we will see in our next meeting. Okay? So, right now, we conclude here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevabhyasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.